Hello everyone and welcome to the webinar. Let's wait a couple of minutes. I see that people are already joining, so make sure you share the link with others, because there are a lot of people every webinar that are joining and are still new and are still learning, and I would love that there will be more people, right? So help me spread that knowledge between the people that would love to learn and would love to go to the next level, especially with the basic understanding of the charts. And of course, you can implement this knowledge immediately into your day trading. So very good. So let's start with the webinar. Hi to everyone once again. We will start with the webinar in a minute. Just let me check if YouTube is live. Okay, so we are live now on YouTube as well. Perfect. So hi everyone and welcome to the webinar. For those who don't know me, I am Christian. I've been trading for 11 years, 10 years basically, and the last 5 years I've been there on TradingView, been active really a lot on TradingView, because I would love to spread as much knowledge as I can, because I can see there are a lot of people trying to trade, trying to invest, but they are missing the basic knowledge, the knowledge about market. Okay, so how market moves, why it moves, and so on. A lot of you guys are trying to spend time and trying to develop some strategy with reading news. Okay, so don't use your focus, don't use your energy on reading news. It ain't gonna work. So trust me, don't waste your time with reading the news and waiting for to understand the fundamentals. This stuff is too confusing and you ain't gonna make it doing something like that. Believe me, I've been doing this, been trying to trade on fundamentals for 2 years, and I couldn't develop a consistent profit. I was also trying to trade in the time when news was released, okay, and as well there I couldn't become profitable. And believe me, you will not be able to generate profits like that. What you will have to do is focus on the patterns, focus on the knowledge that I'm sharing there with you. Okay, so if you go on my profile on YouTube, you will see what I'm doing. Structure is everything what you need. Look at that one. Here's a nice pattern, sorry. It's a nice pattern in the channel. We were anticipating. Why we were anticipating news in the end has to go down. We didn't care about any news. We didn't care what New Zealand economy is saying. We didn't care about what yen economy is saying. We just watch the chart, read it step by step. Okay, so this is what you have to understand. Every single move on the chart you have to read correctly. Chart is like a data. It's like a book. If you know how to read correctly, then you will be able to forecast the upcoming move. So if I will go and discuss a little bit about this structure. So how did we know this has to go down? Because we have because we have a nice impulsive wave to the upside, and this is in the correction, but this is having a complicated correction. Why is this so? Because we have a 1, 2, 3 to the upside. Now we need a 1, 2, 3 to the downside, then we'll get what? Probably break down or another leg higher like it was over there. So this is why we know we are going to the downside. Okay, so if I will go and read that once again, we already know that the structure move in 3 waves, 3 or 5 waves, even 7 waves impulsive movement. Depends on which time frame you are watching and what are you watching exactly. here is here's the move which we are expecting was 1, 2 is the correction, 3 is another impulse, okay, a repeated impulse in the direction of this one. And this second wave has more complicated structure than we thought. We have there one impulsive wave to the downside, and then what, we have a 1, 2, 3 to the upside, okay, you see. And now we are anticipating that third wave to the downside. So this is 2, 1, 2 and 3 to the downside. And this 1, 2, 3, everything belongs to this second move, okay? This is the second move, this is the first move, second move and the third move. Okay, so you see this second move becomes so complicated. If you don't know how to read correctly, then you probably have a problems. But if you know, if you read that properly, if you recognize impulsive and structures correctly on the market, then you'll know what the upcoming move will do, as we did there on New Zealand yen. So look at that one. So what happened? Boom, straight to the point. Okay, you see, clear pattern development. There's nothing else to say. There's no any support and resistance levels. There are no news needed. There was no news needed, sorry. We didn't use any indicator to predict this wave to the downside. Nothing. Only naked chart and you. All you need is to correctly read the structure, to correctly recognize impulsive and corrective structures. That's all. Okay? So if you're still struggling, if you can't move, you really have to focus on those structures. Okay? So what really helps to me in my developing my strategy into my career was I had to put a lot of focus on understanding corrections. Impulsive movements are very fast, okay? So you have nothing to do basically over there, okay? Once you will grab the trade in the impulsive movement, the trade will go, okay? You will not have a headache trading over there. But trying to understand the structure, when is it over, how far it will go, do I have a still option to take the trade, is it worth of taking the trade, how far it will develop, how it will develop, will it be simple, will it be complex? This is what you have to understand. Okay, and once you understand this development, there is where your profit will come. So try to spend some time reading on structures. Go to the lower time frame, see how they develop on lower time frame, then go back to the higher time frame, then again higher, lower, higher, lower. You have to understand this switch from higher time frame and then downgrading it to the lower time frame. When I'm doing over there, it looks very simple, but you have to do it by yourself. You have to do it by yourself, because I've been sharing this New Zealand chart since very long. Okay, so if you go back, watch all my recordings, everything what I've been sharing there for the last 2 weeks was mostly the yen. And I really hope that many of you grab those trades on yen pairs that I've been sharing with you, and especially on Friday. On Friday, I've been warning, I've been putting some pressure on you to watch yen pairs and indices, and especially Aussie CAD. Okay, so those are the setups that I've been constantly putting pressure on it, so you will watch it. And let me know how many of you take those trades, any of you. Okay, use the live chat, guys, do not hesitate, use the live chat. Let me know how many of you take any opportunity on Aussie CAD, whatever, New Zealand yen, Aussie yen, pound yen, Euro USD, indices, SP 500, Nasdaq 100, German 30. Let me know, okay, quickly. Go use the chat and see. Let me know how many of you grab the opportunity and take any trade over there. I really hope that there will be many of you. Nobody. Seriously? Nobody didn't take the trade. Only pound yen. Okay, so Mate took the pound yen. It's good, okay? At least one. At least one is better than no one. Okay? That's good, and probably you're doing something very good. Your focus is getting better. I know you cannot take all the trades, but at least one. At least one is what I was anticipating from you guys that you will be able to catch. At least Aussie CAD, at least New Zealand yen, at least Aussie yen, at least CAD yen, at least Chief yen, at least USD yen, SP 500, Nasdaq 100, or German. Look at that one. There was the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, sorry. 12 charts, 12 setups was over there. And you didn't manage, or you didn't grab any of these setups, then you're doing probably something really wrong, okay? You're not doing it correctly. So now go to the point. Ask yourself why you didn't take the trade. I've been putting a lot of pressure over there, been mentioning those charts since very long, and I really would love to know why you didn't take the opportunity. So be honest with yourself. What you did wrong. Why you didn't take the setup. Be honest. Only the way like that you will become profitable. You will be able to improve. Because I know that this mistake is happening all the time. It's repeating all the time. I've been working with a lot of traders, a lot of people, and I see that there is some focus. Okay, so focus is what is really missing over there. You are watching charts. You guys are usually so, let's say, involved with some pressure, or once the correction is in the making, you have really hard time. It's really difficult to watch the chart, but when it is going, then you don't know what to do, so you're not prepared enough, right? So that's what usually happens. You got scared when market starts to move, okay? And then when everything goes, then you trigger the trade. Then what the hell, okay? What the hell? So try to calm down, get things together, see what are you doing wrong, write down why you didn't take the trade. Okay, so I'm giving you the steps for the self-improvement. So only the way like that you will be able to make a step forward. Okay, this is the step to become profitable. Because I've been sharing those setups, and if you didn't take one, then only this is the problem. Only this was the reason. Or the second one is you don't trust me. But if you don't trust me, you have to check all my results, all my forecasts. Okay, so all my previous weekly market outlooks, all my recordings, and then you will have to come back on the webinar. Okay, or if you are just there to watch my webinars and just sitting back, not doing anything, just seeing what I'm doing, then it's better to leave, because you will never ever make money watching me. Okay, you can make money watching me or copy me. Okay, so I don't know what are you waiting over there. You're just wasting your time. You have to leave the webinar immediately. That's not the webinar for you, because I'm not gonna trigger the trade for you. I will never ever tell you when exactly is the time to take the trade, because this is your job. You have to do it. Okay, you have to do the step. Don't just wait, or don't just wait that someone will tell you what to do with the trade, and if something will be wrong, then you will be able to blame him. Okay, you are never blaming yourself. You're never here to improve. That's the wrong. So watch the real picture. What are you doing, and how and where you can improve. So trust me, you really have to do that step. Some of you will have difficulties by doing this, but some of you could do it easily. Okay, so we have one comment. Fennel is saying, I'm only trading crypto. It used to go very bad, but since I'm watching your streams, it's going great. Thanks for what you do. Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate all your good comments, and especially I'm really happy when you guys are improving. Okay, when I'm getting a lot of feedback that you are improving, you're making changes, and that's what I want from you. Okay, so I want that every one of you will do something. Okay, all I want from you is that you will move forward. I just don't want you to watch my webinars, that's all. Okay, because by watching you can do anything. Okay, because I cannot watch someone who is making money. That can help to myself. Okay, so I cannot do nothing with this. He have the knowledge, but I don't have. He's making, but I'm not making money. So here's the problem. You have to do the step. Do something. Okay, do something. Try to change everything what you should do into what you must do. This will really help you. That will really help you improve you. Okay, so let's go now. Let's see what we did. Okay, so and what we should take. Okay, there was a lot of setups that we were watching, and let's see Ozzycat what he did. Okay, so there is where I end the webinar on Friday. So those who are the followers who are first time there on my webinar, they have to go and watch the recording from the Friday. It's live and it's uploaded on my TradingView profile and as well on YouTube. Okay, so you'll find the recording, go back and watch it. You will see what we were discussing, how we are discussing, what we were anticipating, and so on. The Ozzycat, it's still setting up for a nice movement, and you'll still be able to catch some sell stops there on the way to downside. I really do anticipate that we are going down. These are my expectations. This is what I'm seeing over there. So for the upcoming week, what you should do is you will have to watch lower time frame. Okay, lower time frame, probably what the price will do. This will go give you some flat over there, sorry, and then it will start to push lower aggressively. Okay, or it can get a little bit more complicated. It can extend a little bit, do something like this, and then it still has to drop. So watch it, let it see how this develops, and then watch for your sell stop. This is all what you should do. Okay, let that correction do whatever it wants to do, and then take the opportunity once this is completed. You don't need to predict when this will be completed. Okay, but you have to be in the trade when this is completed. Okay, those are the things which you will have to understand. Things that has to be clear before you will start trading. Okay, and there was a question few days ago that one guy was asking me. He asked, or he said that he can't. No, how did you say it? He said that he can't trade on demo. Okay, he can't trade on demo because he don't feel the same emotions. Okay, that's totally wrong. So then you're doing something wrong. You don't have a plan. You don't have a strategy. Then you're just clicking trades. Okay, that's the problem. Because if you use same rules, same risk management, same entry strategy, same exit strategy, same strategy for analyzing the market on demo account and on real account, it should be the same. Because if you have the rules for entry, then you are disconnecting the emotions. You are not trading based on the emotions. And you know what to do, when to do. You're not involving your emotions into your trading. But if you don't have the rules, then things get complicated. Then you start trading on your emotion. You are driven by emotion. You are driven by every single candle on the market, and that's the big problem. Then you don't know if you are buying, then you don't know if you are selling, or what are you doing, and when to put your trade on break even, when to get out, and so on. So then you have to work on your rules. You have to develop the rules. You have to know when you will exit the trade. That has to be very, very clear before you even start trading. And then try to use the same rules on demo account as same on the real. Because if you will become profitable with those exactly same rules on demo, you will become profitable on real. That's it. That's it. Okay, so but until you don't become profitable on demo, don't even dream about real. You are not ready. You're just broke. You're just trying to play with the market. You're just fucking gambler. Okay? You are not for the business. This is not a gambling. This is the real business. And you will never make money like that. That's the wrong mindset. So save up some time. And as well, if you will be trading on real and if it will not work, you don't have a strategy, you don't trust, you're not confident, you are just putting yourself backward. Okay, you're going backward instead of forward, because every single trade, every loss will hit you hard, and you will be going backward instead of going forward. So make sure that these things will become clear before you will go on real. I don't want nothing bad for you. Okay, I just want you will be even faster if you will do in the steps as I said. But of course you can do it by yourself as well, and you will see after 2-3 months, 4, 5, 6, half year, okay, you will see that you're still on the same spot where you were 6 months ago, 1 year ago. And then you will see, and you don't know what are you doing. You're just wasting your time. Okay, that happens to me. I had the same problem. I was working for money, making deposit, blow my account. And then again, I was going to a job, 9 to 5, making money, make a deposit, start trading, make small profit, then blow everything. And then again, and again, and again. And I was in the loop. Okay, I couldn't exit the loop. I didn't know what was wrong, but I was playing with my reel. Okay, I even didn't have my strategy. I didn't have all my rules. I even didn't know what I'm doing. I even didn't trust my strategy. I even didn't know if this strategy works. It works for a week, it works for 10 days, but didn't work for a month too. Okay, that was my problem, and I was keep struggling in the loop. I couldn't exit it. Okay, and that was just pure waste of time. I wasted a lot of time. But never mind, I learned on the hard way. You should not. Okay? You should not learn the hard way as I did. So let's go. Hope that these things will help you. Okay, this should help you open some different view on the market. You should see your mistake from a different point of view, right? Because we all are making mistakes. We all are doing some stupid things. Sometimes it just happens, but the point is what you do with those mistakes. Are you honest with yourself? Okay, do you watch what you did? Do you improve it, or are you keep repeating them? Keep repeating all again. Okay, so hope you guys understand me. Hope this will help you. As you know that I'm sharing there with you as much knowledge as I can. I'm here to support you, to teach you everything, to teach you the understanding which you need. Okay? Try to not use indicators. That's one more thing which I have to know, but let's go forward. Let's see first what we have on the market. And if you guys have any questions, if you want to watch any specific pair that I'm not having there on my watch list, let me know. Use the live chat. Type which pair would you love to take a look on. It doesn't matter if it is the Forex, if it is the crypto, stock, commodity, bonds, whatever. Okay? This strategy which I'm teaching you is for all market. You can apply it on every market. It doesn't matter which market it is. Hi Luciano. You're a little bit late, but you came. Okay, very nice. Okay, so let's go. So Aussie Cat, you know what to do. Keep on selling it. It's gonna be a nice trade over there. Your USD will go down. Now the question is how long this is going to struggle over there. Okay, so this could just struggle and we still can have a one leg lower over there. I'm still anticipating your USD to go lower, but it could correct over there and then another leg higher. Okay, so Only correction like this will tell us we are going for one more leg higher. Otherwise, we are going down. Simple. Do not complicate. We always have to get the confirmation from the market. Okay, you should not be the guy who is telling to the market what market should do. Okay? Yeah, it's not a problem. So he's saying that he was late visiting family. Yeah, not a problem. That's good. At least you came. Okay, so that's very good. You should watch the beginning. Okay, I've been talking there a lot since half hour now, right? So pound yen, what it did, it's still correcting. Okay, so this setup, it's still there. It will be for the upcoming week. I don't see this as the buy stop. I really don't see this as a buy stop, and we have to see what this is trying to do over there. Okay, definitely next week the move will become crystal clear and we will know where the pound yen will move in the future. But my view, it's still for the downside. Okay, my view, it's still for the downside. That's great, Luciano. Just you just have to you have to watch it from the beginning. It's worth of, at least if you would love to improve. So euro yen, same over there, downside. Okay, yen pairs, I'm keep on watching for the downside on all yen pairs. Okay, all yen pairs I'm watching for sell. And if you've been there with us for last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, something like that, you know what we are doing, and you should already made some profit on those pairs, because if you didn't, you are doing something wrong. So let's go in New Zealand yen. Do I have to say anything? Okay, do I have to say anything? This is more than a wonderful trade. More than a wonderful trade. Very nice pullback, and now we are heading to the downside. So what we are anticipating on the New Zealand yen, that it could just go break down. And you can of course take profit slowly, okay, not here, but let it go a little bit lower, and once it will start to struggle, you can take profit because it will not drop into the straight line. Okay, and you should take profit over there. Why? Because the price can go in the correction and then drop, or it can reverse to the upside. So what you did over there, you will take profit, you will be in the profit, and you should keep in mind that you will never miss the movement, because you know how structure develops, because you understand how impulsive movement develops. You should not be worried about not getting into the trade, or not be able to get into the trade back again. Okay, so this trade will not be long term. You will take profit. Depends how this develops. So definitely, okay, you will not just close the trade once the market will open. We are still holding it. Okay, we open the trades. We will not close those trades over the weekend. Okay, so we are not closing the trades over the weekend. That's something what you should not do. Okay, we are never closing trades over the weekend. If you're doing so, then analyze it a little bit because I don't know why are you doing this. What's the purpose of closing the trades over the week? Who have told you that you have to close the trades over the week? Probably the guy who don't know what he's doing, or the guy who doesn't know where the market is moving. These are the people who are closing the trades over the weekend. We don't, because we know where the market is heading to. That's the reason. So Aussie yen, really, I think I don't need to say anything. That's very nicely visible over there, and nothing to say. Nothing to say over there. Just let it go lower. If you missed it, don't worry. Okay, don't worry, don't panic. You will still have a pullback on lower time frame, then downside, pullback, downside, pullback, downside. Okay, so you will have a chance to enter the trade again, but on lower time frame. You will not see it on 4 hour. You will have to watch it on 15 minute. They always does. Okay, they always pull back, so you should not be worried. We will be keep adding trades over there to the downside. Okay, so in our academy we are watching trades. I'm updating my members what they should watch, how should they watch, and let's say, where the correction will appear and how far correction should stay over there. Okay, those are all the benefits from being the member of our academy. So if you would love to join us, if you would love to be with the people that are improving, that are trading seriously, not just joking and kidding on the charts, okay, then feel free to join us. You will find the link under the video, or just go to the website tradewithmaster.eu and go to the membership tab. You will as well find over there that I have added one more membership. Okay, one more membership is what I have added for you guys. This is the monthly subscription from 300 euros, and once you pay, I will give you immediately the access to our team. Okay, so this is really big benefit if you would love to see how we are working and what we are doing. But of course, if you are really serious, then you can take a lifetime access and you will be there with us forever. Okay, so if you do love what we do, and if you love how we are watching the chart and so on, then being with us forever, it's a really big benefit for you and for your trading account as well, and bank account passively. Okay, so let's go. Keep adding trades, right? So you can miss the movement. Why I can miss the movement? Look at that one. Okay, so here's the example for the upside. Okay, there's the correction, 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 there's the correction. Can I miss the movement to the downside? Of course I can't. Look at that one. If I miss this one, you should not miss this one. There is another one, there's another one, there's another one, and all those should be on the break even later on. But never mind. What I'm trying to tell you is, look at that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities. 5 opportunities. If the trade will go, you will have 5 chances to enter the market, and you should not be worried where and why you didn't trade over there. Okay, so look at that one. That's the reason why I should not be jumping into trades like with no reasons. Okay, with no setup. You always need the setup. So let's go. Kadian, what is doing? This is the setup where you should watch. Okay, so you still have a chance over there. So let it do whatever it wants to do. You can even watch for some sideways on lower time frame and then take the trade. I'm really anticipating these to go down nicely daily. If you watch the daily, look at that one, where we are heading to. Okay. So this is the move that we are anticipating all the way to the downside. All the way to the downside. So keep an eye in the upcoming week. It's gonna be a nice trade. So can it turn to the upside? No, I really don't see that this price will go there and then go to the upside. There are no signs currently. What it could do, but then we will see this on time. So I still didn't upload let me just publish those ideas so you guys know what we are doing. So if you have any questions, guys, just feel free to ask until I'm publishing the idea for you. So you'll have it on my profile. You will know what you're doing. Let's follow the cell. Again, okay. So keep your eyes on lower time frame and follow the cell setups. Okay, do we have any questions? Are you guys understanding what I'm saying and sharing there with you? Are those things clear to you? Is knowledge clear? You all should know what you should do there. I don't need to comment over there, right? So follow this way to the downside. And Chief Yen, you still have a chance. You see, all the yen pairs didn't go in the same time, so some of the yen pairs are still giving you the chance to grab the opportunity. So CAD yen and chief yen are still the setups which you can watch. Okay, this chief yen has to go lower. This relationship to this has to go lower. So what you should do, watch this sell, watch strong breaks to the downside. You should take the trade. So don't miss it. Don't miss it. If you will miss it, then you should not appear on my webinar anytime. Okay? I really would love you to take the opportunity on chief yen. So don't come on the webinar and say that you miss it. You should put some focus, okay? Decide what you would love to do. What about Nifty 50 and copper? We will watch it, no problem. Okay, we will watch it. I will end with the chief yen and we can go straight to the Nifty and copper. Not a problem. Okay, we will go and watch it for you immediately. So watch for the sharp breakdown. So what the price can do, you all should know now. Okay. Hi everyone. I see that you guys are joining now massively. So why did you guys are joining now? Where have you been? Where have you been now for 40 minutes? Is it too early to have it at 6 p.m. my time, or should we delay that webinar on next Sunday? Let me know. Should we delay the webinar that we are having right now to next Sunday at 1 hour later, let's say like that? I see that there are many more people right now. So I really don't want you guys that you will miss anything. So just feel free during the webinar, feel free to let me know if you would love to have this webinar 1 hour later. So instead of 6 p.m. my time, that should be 7 p.m. my time. Okay, just 1 hour later. Let me know. Use the chat and I will watch it later. So chief yen, we all know what the price is trying to do and what it's doing. So just to repeat everything, to make things clear, what we do, let's use the red color. What we are waiting for, sharp break to downside. Which time frame you use? UTL +2. You see, this is my time. This is my time currently. It would be cool if you could start at 7 p.m. Yeah, it's not a problem for me. I can do it. I can do it. I have no problem. So if there will be more people live at 7 p.m. then I will just move it. But let's see what the others are saying. Okay. This is what you want to see. This is what I want from you to catch. If you don't catch it, then you're doing something really not good and your focus is somewhere, I don't know where, in the air probably. And yeah, just let me finish the USD yen, so we will complete all the yen pairs, then we will go to the copper and Nifty. Okay, Nifty is what one of our subscribers want and I will go and discuss about it. But first I will end with those yen pairs. USD yen, it's still at the top, but it's a little bit difficult because dollar against yen, it's kind of strong currency. Okay, so dollar it's stronger than yen, so it will drop down. Okay, now the question is how far this can go. This could still struggle. Okay, slowly pushing higher, but it still has to come lower. But if you want to trade, I really don't recommend you trading USD yen. Okay, there are better pairs. Okay, all of them are better than USD yen. Okay, so try to focus on another one. It will be better for you. So copper, I have to add copper because I don't have it, but I will add it for you. Copper, which one? This one, let's see. Copper, what the copper is doing, go to daily, and weekly first. Let me see where we are with the structure. This shall go for the correction for more downside. Definitely it will go down for the running flat and then going up, so something like that. This will be the running flat. This will be the running flat, which will appear over there in the future. So what we should do in the upcoming days, weeks, let's see how this develop. Okay, that looks medium term impulsive structure. That looks like a corrective structure. It can go another leg lower and then still can go up and then it will drop. Something like this can appear easily over there for more downside, which is anticipated as well over there on copper. Or what as well it can do, there it will be a different types of structure right now. Okay, so what it could do as well, this could struggle down slowly, test the previous low, go up and then still go down. Okay, this will be option number 2. And you have to be very smart, because there is as well the third option where people are getting confused the most. This will go down and what they will think, oh gosh, I just missed the sell or whatever. Okay, and what they will do, they will start selling. What the price will do, it will pull back for the deeper correction. Why? Because it will go for the running flat and it still has to go lower. Okay, so this is why it's so important to understand the structures, to understand the patterns, to have the rules. Rules will help you in your way of trading. Make sure you have the rules for trading, because structures are repeating all the time. Okay, structures and patterns are the same. You can basically, all those patterns you can copy and paste. They are so they are the same, let's say like that. Hi, just thinking it could be the announcement reminder we get about your broadcast from YouTube comes late. I don't know about this announcement. Can I do something for this announcement? I don't know how I can send you reminders on YouTube. That's automatically probably, or I thought this is automatic, so if there is anything that I can set up, then let me know. So let's continue. Copper, so you know what to do for copper. And Nifty, let's see the Nifty weekly. This structure can go down. Okay, this could just be the bigger correction and leg lower. So we are having the kind of similar structure on Nasdaq 100, if I'm right. No, that was. I don't. Which one was it? So I just forget which structure was this, but never mind. Let's go back to the Nifty. So this could still go lower. So what you should do? Okay, what you should do? You have to watch and see how this develops over there. If this is all what we get, and this is the correction, relationship to this. We are going one more wave to the upside to break this top, and then we are going down, or the channel will appear over there and then going down. This is option number one. Option number two is this will start to correct. It has to give at least 4 hour correction. Okay, something like this, something like this. Okay, this is what you need over there, and then the price will go break the low. Okay, very easily, but what you have to do, what is your next logical step? Your next logical step is that you have to wait for this structure development before you will trigger any trade, or before you will do anything. Can you look at lithium price chart, please? Yes, of course I can. Why not? This is why we are here, right? Lithium. I'm not watching those charts, but I'm watching those charts for you. Which one is it? Let me help. So I will not add the wrong one. Which one is it? The first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. MN, please can you tell me which one is the lithium that you would love me to take a look on? I'm really not trading those charts, even not watching it, so you will have to help me. Few minutes. Okay. So he needs few minutes. So we will give him a few minutes. If you need it, then take it. Why not? I will just grab a sip of water. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, I will just you find the chart and let me know, and I will just go and share my chart as well. Okay, so if you guys want me to take a look on any specific chart, on any chart that you are watching, let me know. Use the live chat, and if you still have any question, what bothers you or whatever, or if there is something not clear to you, or there are some uncertainties about the knowledge or trading and so on, use the live chat, let me know. I will answer all your questions. So use the live chat. This is what it's made for. So indices on Friday, what happened? Okay, that's the chart we were discussing about. No, I didn't done gold yet. I will go for you now and watch it. So let me just talk about SP500, and then I will talk about the gold. So SP500, right? We were discussing about this move. We were exactly discussing about this correction on when? Friday. And what happened? It went down. you should take the trade over there. Okay, you should have a strategy to grab those trades. Okay, those are the trades where you will make money. Same there, Nasdaq 100, what it did, it just went lower. Okay, it starts to go from there and still going lower. Are we in the correct direction? Of course we are, because we are each direction we are trading. What is our focus? This is our focus. We are not trading correct structures, because there is no money. You will be broke and you cannot make money in the corrections. So if you are trading corrections, if your focus are the corrections, so you have to raise your standard. You have to raise your standards, because there's no money and it's really difficult to become profitable or to develop any profits in this correction. So really you have to work to raise your standards. And of course German Turkey, that one didn't still, and it still has to. Okay, this still has to break down. All in this is I'm expecting to break lower. There's much more to go. Okay, I'm expecting them more to go deeper. Okay, as well this one, Nasdaq 100 and SP 500, all of them is what I do anticipate to go lower. Okay, they're still move. So what you should do, if you're not in the trade, what you should do, wait for the correction, take the trade. What it should do, wait for the correction. Look at that one, this is the correction. It appears, it will appear, it will drop. Then what it could still do, it could go for the bigger correction over there, and then what it will do, it still has to go lower. So if you don't know that this will plays out so, and if you are not confident to trade this movement, then you have a lack of knowledge. So what you should do to improve that, to get that knowledge, you have to follow it. You don't need to trade, you just have to watch it every day, how it develops, why it develops, study. Okay, study those corrections. This is how I was doing. I was doing exactly the same. I stopped with trading and I was just watching how those structures were developing. I sit down, didn't trade, watching candles up, down, and I was downgrading those time frames to see what is it showing to me on lower time frame. Was there any sign on lower time frame that this thing will do so? And once this is completed, are there any signs on lower time frame that this correction is about to be completed? Is this move having any signs on lower time frame that is completed? This is what you should do. Okay, this is where you will improve your knowledge. If you don't know how to, and if you're still losing, and if you still need the support, then you really have to join us. Okay, we will discuss about this. We will do it every day. We will give you every single steps. You can share with us every day the steps that you did, and we will correct you. Okay, so this is why being in the group with the same minded people, with the same people, is very powerful. Okay, it's not just for the joke. Because of group of people, because of the certain people, you can boost your knowledge and experience and so on. And you can even take a shortcut. That could be a big shortcut to your way to success. Depends, of course. When did you want to succeed? Do you have 5 more years to study charts? Then you can do it alone and so on. Okay, that totally depends on you. Thank you, Mate. He's saying this time for the webinar is top. Thank you very much. I'm doing my best. Doing my best as always. So thank you very much. I appreciate all your comments. Okay, so where we were, I just forget. Okay, gold. Gold is what we have to discuss about. I almost forget. Let's see the gold. What the gold is trying to do. It's not on my watch list. It's going down. Okay, so it's still the sell. Still the sell is over there. Let me know. Have you been with us and selling it? Oh, sorry. Have you been selling it all the way down from there, there? Did you grab any of those three chances? Okay, Luciano, let me know. Did you trade it? Did you take any sell over there to the downside? There was a very wonderful sells on the way to downside. Hope that you are taking opportunities. These are the sells. Look at that one. I'm always repeating, sell the gold. So my neighbors know what to do. Sell the gold. Okay, so you should do it the same. So what is doing right now? I think there it will be the correction and another leg higher. This is what we can have, because this will be now the impulsive movement, and in relationship to this correction we can have another leg higher. That could be very fast. Should I trade the buy? Of course not. Okay, you will probably not have the time to go for this trade, or you'll probably not get the setup for this buy. But anyway, there's the big problem. If you would love to take this buy, then you're having problem with yourself. Okay, if you are trying to grab this buy, which I'm currently showing with you. Okay, so let me grab another color. If you guys are trying to buy for this move, then you're probably having troubles. Okay, because you should be sticking in the impulsive movement. Sell, it's what you have to trade. You will not make money over there. That could just go slowly, or it can get complicated. But the move to downside, it will be clear. This move to downside will be clear. Can it start from there? Yes. And this is the reason as well why not focusing on this buy, because this can drop down, correct over there, and then you will miss the sell. Why? Because you were watching the move which was not your priority. Okay, so this this was the problem. With this you can lose focus, you can lose setups. So don't go in the wrong direction. That's not, we don't have a strategy, we don't have the focus to analyze and trade the corrections. We can trade them on daily, but that's a totally different view now. You should not be trading over there. It's not what you should do. Okay, so stick with the sell and keep on selling it. So what you should do, if price drop, if it corrects, pull back, sell. Any kind of correction like this, you can sell. Even this one, you can sell. Okay, so what should I do? Sell. Okay, so those are your sell stops. Look at that one. Even this is, this is the sell stop. This is your sell stop. Okay, this is your sell stop. So what I should do there? Wait for this, or this, or this, or this. What I should do? Wait for fucking correction, right? Easy. I longed for 1.614 and close 1.670. Yeah. So you are still trying to grab the bottom. Okay, so you keep playing with the market. That's good as well. If this is giving you constant profit, then you can do it. But if it is not giving you the constant profit, then you should change something. You should change something. You should improve. So, what else? What else are we watching? I will not be trading the gold from as it stands right now, okay? I will be only selling it. This could go very nicely downside. and that's the move which I want. We know we've been selling it since there. Okay, some of you caught it from there. There was the sell, and selling it as well from there. There. Okay, so let's say this was our sell and this was our sell. Two sells have been catched already, and the third one will still be there. Now the question is this all of the correction? Is this all what we have and we are going to downside? Probably. Can go higher, maybe. We are not interested, at least not yet. Okay, so but if this will go for correction like this, then yes, we can then decide and go for this kind of the movement. But until we don't have a very nice confirmation, we should not go for the move. Okay, so when I and my team will start buying the gold, if I get something like this, then we will go for this move to the upside, taking our profits, and then we'll start watching for sell. This will be our sign. This will be the signal from the market. Okay, I don't need to guess where's the bottom or from where it will start its movement. I don't need to be the first guy over there catching those trades wherever on the bottom, to be the first guy on the plan to take the buy, because I ain't gonna make it. On 10 trades, on 100 trades, I can get profitable by getting and guessing where's the top and where's the bottom, because everyone on the planet knows that we don't know where the high is and where the bottom is. Nobody cannot know where it is exactly, but once it is confirmed, then we can rely on it, and this is what you have to apply. Okay, you don't need to be that guy trying to guess and catch bottoms or tops. At least I'm not there anymore. Okay, I'm here to make money. I'm here to buy things with the money, with the profits from trading. Okay, this is why I'm there. I'm not here to guess where's the top and where's the bottom. I don't need to have the perfect trade. Okay, someone will call it a sniper trade. I don't need to have a sniper trade, but I need to have a profit. That's my point now. Okay, because those wonderful looking trades, wonderful and nice trades doesn't give me profits. They are giving me frustrations. You couldn't sleep up because of them, and so on, and even over risking it on them, and blah blah blah. There's a lot of things why I can tell you from my experiences. Trying to grab the tops and bottoms, it's not good, and far away being profitable. Okay, so these are my years of experience why I'm not doing it anymore. But before, at the beginning, I've been trying to do the same. Okay, so what I was doing, I was trying to sell from there, I was trying to sell from there, I was trying to sell from there, I was trying to sell from there and there. Okay, so my focus was only to catch those tops. So, and trying to catch those tops, I have a lot of losses because of this. Okay, I don't know why was this, what was the problem, what was in my mindset to catch those trades. They were just looking good. Maybe this was the problem. They were just looking good, and I will be very happy if I will have the trade exactly from there and exactly to there, and then exactly when this is over, I will buy and close exactly from there. That this is what will never happen, but that was probably in my mind, and that was my biggest problem. Then I changed my view, then I changed my mindset. So what I did now, I'm trading this move to the downside, and I'm having more money, bigger trades, and more stable trade, and I am more confident. I can go to sleep and not worrying about the trade. I don't need to open chart for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours. Okay, that's what I can do now. I don't need to open chart every 15 minutes or at least once per hour, and I'm making a nice profit, better than trying to grab trades from the top. Because what was happening to me was chart was over there, I sell, price just went up. It looks like there was never a top. I was topped out, then I said, okay, there should be the top now. I try to sell, price go a little bit lower and then go up. Okay, then I sell again. Then I sell again, price go a little bit lower and then still go down. Then I sell again, price just go up. Okay, and I just thought, what the fuck? And then I got frustrated because I've missed really nice buy over there. What the fuck I was doing? Okay, just because my thinking process, I miss very wonderful buy over there. What was the reason? Trying to guess where is the top from where the reversal will start. This was my problem. Because I want to be in this trade going to the upside instead of trying to take a sell. But once this is completed, I want to be in the sell. But the market will tell me when this is completed. I cannot tell and I cannot guess the market. I cannot predict the future from trading and catching the tops. That's what should not work. You will have more drawdowns and probably market will prove you wrong. That you are too early, too fast, and so on. So try to change this mindset. Try to do something different. Okay, Amit saying my chat on TV doesn't work. It's lithium futures and on the stock is global X lithium. Thanks, CoinDesk. Yeah, let me just check it. What did you say on TradingView? Chat doesn't work. Why chat on TradingView? It's not working. Is this only you? Any other guys, can you confirm that if chat is working on TradingView? I would really love to know what's going on. Maybe there's some bug over there on TradingView. Because I can nicely see chat on YouTube. So everyone who is watching me on TradingView, use the chat, let me know, let me prove that if chat is working or not. And in meantime we will watch and check the lithium for CoinDesk. Okay, so plenty of lithium will be needed for batteries for all the electric cars after gas engines banned in 13 years. Okay, I will just check the chart. I'm not relying on the fundamentals. CoinDesk, you've been there for kinda long, so you already know that we only trust the chart. Let's go. Let me add now that for you. I will add there the lithium. Sofian Oxford chat is working on TradingView. Thank you very much. Lithium, and he said my chart lithium futures under stocks. Lithium. Oh, here it is, lithium futures. No data here, so I think I have a problem. the lithium is not working. What's wrong? Lithium futures. We have some problems. So let's see over there the other charts. If TradingView chart is not working, then we can watch it over there. Oof, this is not good. Oh, how it works. Let's see. This data is not good. That doesn't allow me to watch, to squeeze the chart. You see, very bad preview of the market. Let's see the other. Not this one. Seriously, we don't have a chart price. Does anyone know, can we watch anywhere else the lithium price instead of TradingView? We can watch it, but I don't know where we should watch it. Let me try to find a chart for you so we can discuss about it. First in futures, second in stock section. Let me check. Oh, is this the correct chart? On the future section. On the future section. So which one, the first one or the second one? First in the future. Okay, so this one, comics. But this one is not working for me. Let's see, lithium. Maybe this one. What? What? There is some problems, as I can see. I have no idea what's going on. Really no idea which chart should I open for you to discuss about it. Maybe we should watch somewhere else those lithium futures. Maybe investing.com has better chart price, not this one. I have no idea. Is this the chart we are watching? We maybe found it. Queen Desk, let me know. Is this the chart maybe? Because on TradingView it doesn't work. I have problems over there. This stuff just doesn't work for me. I have no idea what's wrong. First, which first? but first doesn't work. I have problems over there. No data here. I can't watch it. So I will add it once again. I will delete all of them. Yeah, but the same chart is on TradingView as well. It's on the stocks. Not that one. Oh gosh. Maybe this one. Maybe it's this one. What is the current price? CoinDesk. It's Global X Lithium. Yeah, this should be. Okay, so if this is it, people are saying that this should be the chart. CoinDesk, let me know, is this the chart that you want me to watch? This is, I have no idea then. This is second, but the others are not working for me, so then we'll check it next time. We will check it next time. Okay, so any other questions? Should you watch any specific pair that you guys are watching? Bitcoin, maybe some of you were asking me previous week for the Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin is still there. We are still waiting it to push lower. Okay, this should be the running flat, and we are going lower on the lower time frame, of course. Honestly, what I do anticipate is that the Bitcoin will break the low now. Why? Because otherwise it will take more months to develop the more complicated structure. So why? Okay, let me tell you the simple reason. If we don't break the low now, what the price will do, it will go up. Right now it's correcting, and if it don't break the low right now, it will go up and then go totally to the upside, breaking this top over there. That will just give us the higher time frame structure. Okay, this will be just the higher time frame structure, something like this, and then the price will go to downside if we don't break the low in next upcoming days. Okay, and if the price will start pushing higher, we all know that the price will get, or the correction will get complicated. So we rather see the break of this low even going lower. That would be perfect, because that means we will slowly start to build some trades, some longer term trades for the upside. If not, then we will have to stay aside for a couple more months, let's say like that. Okay, so you all have to understand now those structure behavior over there, but for now I really do think that the Bitcoin will drop down. That could happen in the upcoming days. Okay, so really would love to see there some strong break to downside and keep on pushing lower. Okay, that's really what I would love to see over there. That will be a really good sign that we will go to the upside in the future. So if you are only trading, or if you're only investing in Bitcoin, spot and investing will be available quite soon if we break the low. Okay, so that could be very soon, or it could extend for 2 more months, depends what and how this structure develops. Okay, what else? Do you have any questions, guys? Do not hesitate, just feel free to ask anything. The question is, can there be also a running flat? and more downside. Yes, this move can, not a running flat, but this could be all the correction we get, and this move can extend lower. Okay, this is possible movement, and then we'll go upside. Okay, we can go very low. This is very possible movement. Okay, so sell can extend deeper. Okay, so let me show you the weekly. Oops, sorry. This is what we'll have on the weekly. This move can extend something like this, and then we will start building some buys from there. Okay, so that means we are not buying it yet, but sell downside is possible. But what it could do as well, it can go up. Don't get confused over there, okay, because this is still not a buy, it's still the sell, and still has to come lower. This will come lower anyway. Now the question is, will this be this week, or it will take up to 2-3 months? This is now the question. That's what happened exactly over there. Look at that one. Okay, same there. We have a correction that has to break the low before we start heading to the upside. So what we should do, break the low, go up, confirm the up, then go. Okay, exactly similar behavior as we have over there. Okay, as we have over there. Nothing different. Charts and patterns are behaving the same way all the time, all markets. It doesn't matter if this is the crypto, forex, commodities, stocks, whatever it is, they always behaves the same way. Okay, we have a question. Can you check XPL stock? Yes, of course. I will go and check it right away. Okay, so here it is. XPA. What do we have over there? The stock market is not ready yet, as it looks like. So this is the correction over there. And it's going down, so this could be over. We have 1, 2, 3 down, then this is even 5 way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 downside. So this could be slowly ending, but don't buy it yet. That's not yet ready, but it will be ready probably in the near future. That's going to be a nice chart. Okay, we will go to the upside, but don't buy too early. Okay, wait for at least some impulse correction, then you can buy. Okay, then you buy and let the chart go. Yeah, you need the confirmation. You need the confirmation. Don't rush, because it really doesn't matter if you enter there. If you're lucky, let's say, if you're lucky, you'll be able to enter it over there. But anyway, it will go up and it will still correct, so you won't miss anything. You'll still have a chance to enter it with a good price. So it's really hard to miss anything, especially if we're watching charts every day at least 15 minutes. If you just quickly watch your chart, what you're waiting for, you can miss the movement. That's all. So yeah, wait patiently for this flag and then pull the trigger. Because it could go nicely, retesting the previous top. So nice potential to be made over there. So very good chart. Steve Social. Hello, sorry I'm late. I will watch the. Oh, I see that you're a little bit late. We are almost at the end. So, everyone, I can make a webinar for 1 hour with 1 hour delay if this will be better timing for you. So now we have the webinars every Sunday at, let's say, 6 p.m. This is the 6 p.m. sorry, 6 p.m. Oh, that's not p. We have every Sunday at 6 p.m. my time. So this is the UTC plus 2. And what I can do, if this will be better for you, we can delay it on 7 p.m. my time, because I see that there are more people joining at 7 instead of 6. So let me know if you guys be more happy to see the webinars at 7 instead of 6. You still like your silver? Oh, why not? Silver is very good. So you've been buying it very long. This will go up. There is no any other question. So especially as you are buying it physically, so you can't have problems. So what it's doing right now, it's still for the sell. Okay, so I still think this is not a buy over there. Okay, so they still could do something like this and then go for another leg lower. Really don't see a buy yet ready. Okay, so this to be still the sell and keep on pushing lower. So try to buy it from spots over there around 17. Okay, around 17. Try to buy some more. So especially if you're buying it physically, so you should not care. Buy it some and see how it goes. This flag has to go up. I don't think that, no, that's not possible. Yes, this will go up. This has to go up, but it will just struggle over there. So it's good that you will build some options over there, or that you will buy some silver over there. Very good price currently, or it will be in the future, let's say next week, especially if they revisit and make a new low. That's going to be a good opportunity for another leg higher. So very good. Yeah, good. That's good. Steve has been there and he's been buying the silver since very long. I think that he's been buying the silver since he first time joined our webinars. Very good. So he's a physical buyer, so that would be nice to. Yeah, that's for the longer term positions. Read him. That's good. But if everyone have a chance, we all can buy some physical silver like Steve is doing. Okay, it's on good spot, and relationship to this has to go up at least to 34. Okay, 34 will be the price that silver has to visit. Okay, so that could be a nice opportunity in the upcoming years, let's say like that, because if you buy it physically, you can't expect to take off your profit or to sell it. Okay, if you buy it here, you can sell it over there. You have to hold it for a very long term. Okay, that's really different way of trading, or this is not a trading, this is the investing. So the rest of the general public has to understand what Steve is doing. Steve will be holding the silver for long. So that's why he's not worried if prices keep going lower, and he's still adding some positions. So He's just in the investor. Okay, so this webinar has been now 1 hour and a half. We've been there since very long. We should make it shorter. I will slowly end the webinar so quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Ask any question that you have. I will answer. Otherwise, you can leave a comment under the video. The webinar will be published on YouTube, will be published on TradingView, so make sure you watch it. You can rewatch it few times. You can discuss it with friends, share it with friends, discuss it with friends, prepare for the setups which I'm sharing with you, and so on. So it's very powerful. I see that general public, it's learning, and this is my purpose, to give you as much knowledge as I can. And if you are serious and if you would love to join our team, to join our group of people, if you want more from your career, then feel free to go to the website, find the membership that fits with you, and I will give you the access and I will add you to our groups. Okay, thank you very much, Steve. Steve is saying that he will probably die with mine. No, he will not. But you can build a nice pension over there with the silver, so keep going, my friend. That's a good investment. And he's saying thank you for the streams. They are very helpful, each and every one of them. Thank you very much. This is what I'm trying to do. Okay, so this is it. I will end the webinar. Share it with your friend, comment it, give me some likes, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and see you next Sunday. Maybe during the week, if I will catch some free time, if I will have some time, I will go live. So we'll let you know. Okay, we'll post the link over there. Take care and see you. And make sure that you keep your eyes on yen pairs. Don't let it go without you. There is the opportunity and you have to take it. You have to take it. Grab that money. Money, it's around you. Okay, so see you. Bye bye.